Now, you all know that EasyEquities is South Africa's favorite retail investing platform by now. There's no doubt about that, because you'll remember, or you will know by now, that this platform, EasyEquities, indicated that they already have 1 million retail investors in the platform. And I must say that you can't dispute these figures, because you will know that this is one of the platforms that are so easy to use, and many investors, or many retail investors, especially the beginners, when they want to buy shares, chances are very high that they will get, or they will know someone that will refer them to this platform. So without a waste of time, on today's video, I'll be giving you the top 10 most traded popular stock on this EasyEquity platform for the period ended in June 2021. Well, me personally, I did not know that EasyEquities does release this list every quarter of the most popular traded stocks in their platform. And I must say that when I found out about this just this past week, I was very excited about this, because this tells you the kind of stocks that many people are investing or buying in this platform. So these top 10 traded shares are the kind of shares that are seeing some big volumes on this EasyEquities platform. And the good thing about this report that EasyEquities does release every quarter in terms of these popular stocks that are being traded the most in the platform, 5 of those are local shares or local companies, whilst other 5 are the international stocks or company that they are seeing some big volumes when it comes to those companies. And I must say that, like I said, when I saw this list, I was very excited. Now, one thing that really got me so excited, it was when I saw that out of these 10 most popular stocks, 3 of them we've already discussed on this channel. I've already give you an analysis on those 3 companies, which is something that brought a lot of excitement to myself. Though it does not mean that these are the good 10 stocks that the platform EasyEquities is recommending or I am recommending, but just the fact that we are seeing a lot of retail investors investing into these stocks or shares, it's something that is just truly amazing and ought to encourage you not just to go in and buy, but to go and do your own due diligence and check why are so many retail investors, or why are so many people in the platform buying these shares or these stocks. Otherwise, with all that, please know that I'm not a professional financial advisor. All that I'll be sharing here about these top 10 companies are just my opinions, and if you seek professional financial advice, you already know what to do by now, and that is you need to go and consult the professionals. Otherwise, if you like the content that I'll be giving you on today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss the good videos that we make of the companies that we follow on this channel. So I won't go into details onto these stocks or onto all these 10 stocks, which entails 5 local companies and 5 international companies. I'll just give you a summary and we go to the next one, as like I said, it can drag this video to be very long. Now, the most popular local company which is being traded the most in the EasyEquity platform for the period which ended in June of 2021 was Sasol. Now, you all know that Sasol is an energy and chemical company, and I'm not surprised when I see this company trading as the number 1, because you remember that this is one of the local companies that made so many people to want to invest in it, especially last year when its share price dropped to around 26-27 rands per share. So many people came in and started buying this year, and I think the beginning of this year, January, we saw this stock starting at a trading price of around 132 rands and 92 cents, which again, so many people were still piling into this stock. Now, I'm not surprised to see that people were still piling even this year, and people are still piling even now, because I mean, like I said, in the January, this stock was trading around 132 rands and 92 cents, which it was still a very good, attractive price to most of the investors. Even now, for the period which just ended in June, EasyEquities indicated that this is one of those companies that still trading number 1 when it comes to the total investments, or when it comes to the volume that they are seeing on this company. Otherwise, this company ended up the day on Friday trading around 217 rands per share. Now, otherwise, company number 2, which is the most popular on this EasyEquities platform, is the company that we've discussed already and this company goes by the name of Purple Group. Now we all know that Purple Group is the company that actually owns this EasyEquity platform, which is something that is truly amazing and something that I believe that it's a segment that is making this Purple Group to make it bigger. I think on the video where I was doing an analysis on this Purple Group, I did indicate and show you looking at their financial statement to say that indeed this EasyEquities is that segment in their entire Purple Group that is doing so well. It's a segment that is giving them some good revenues, which is why we are seeing the entire group as a revenue being boosted through these EasyEquities. Yes, I know there's another segment that's also doing well, but it's not doing as much as this EasyEquity segment. Otherwise, guys, this Purple Group currently has a 52-week low of 55 cents with a 52-week high of around 1 rand and 65 cents. I personally wish I had invested into this stock when it was trading around that 52-week low of 55 cents. Yeah, but it's one of those opportunities that I missed, and I wish all the best to those that are investing into this stock or into this company, because I just believe that the demand that especially we are seeing on their EasyEquity platform, I believe that it's still going to grow, meaning that it's still going to give them some good revenue even in the future. Otherwise, company number 3, which was the most traded stock or company in the EasyEquity platform, is none other than Naspers. Now, this is a multinational company with headquarters in Cape Town. Now, they own SA most popular companies like your Takealot. Now, they have a 52-week low of around 2,478 with a 52-week high of 3,888. Yes, I know they are quite pricey. Now, I know that the reason probably they made it on this list was the deal that was happening between them and Process of the share swap. Now, I don't know exactly what is the current latest developments regarding that share swap, but those of you that invest into this stock probably know as to what are the latest developments there, as personally I've not been following them that much. Otherwise, company number 4, which made it to this list of the local traded popular stocks into the EasyEquities platform, it was none other than Sibanye Stillwater. Now, this is a mining company with mining projects in South Africa and in America. Now, this company currently has a 52-week high of around 76 rand with a 52-week low of around 44 rands. The mining companies in South Africa are some of those, it's one of those industry where the shares have been dropping so rapidly, which is something that offers an opportunity for investors to go in and pile or buy shares into these companies, which is why I think they have so much volumes in terms of people buying these stocks or these shares. And just to tell you my little secret, this is one of the sectors which I'm looking at investing very, very soon, because I see that the price are very attractive. I see that the stock price or the trading price on these companies are very, very attractive. Some might be trading at very discounted price, which is something that is encouraging me to want to start investing into these mining companies. Otherwise, company number 5, guys, is another mining company that goes by the name of Anglo Gold Ashanti. Now, this company currently has a 52-week low of around 226 rands with a 52-week high of 533 rand. And like I said, most of the stocks in the mining sectors have been dropping so dramatically, offering some good opportunities for investors to go and pile or buy their shares. And I mean, look at where this company like Anglo Gold Ashanti is currently trading at, and look at its 52-week high of 533 rands. You will see that, I mean, from that 52-week high and checking to where it's currently trading at, there is a good opportunity for you to make some good returns if it's to go back to its all-time high of 533. Otherwise, those are the top 5 local companies which EasyEquities indicated that they were the most popular on the platform. Otherwise, going to the US stocks which were the most popular trading stocks on the EasyEquity platform, the number 1 stock which was the most popular on the EasyEquity platform is none other than Tesla. Now, Tesla it's a company that's in one of my favorite industries in the entire stock market currently. Otherwise, to those that might be lost as to which industry is this is none other than the EV industry. I mean, who would not like this kind of industry as it is set for greatness? Who would not like this industry as it is booming in China, Europe, and in the US? I mean, this is an industry which is set for greatness. This is an industry that is doing so well. And looking at places like China, the EV sales, or the electric vehicles sales, are set to double this year, which is something that must show you the kind of demand that we are seeing on this industry, which is why I like it and why it is dominating my stock market portfolio. But it's not Tesla that, guys, it's dominating my portfolio. I will get to that company because it made it also to the top 5 list. So this company Tesla is the leader in this EV industry, which is why you can't be surprised to see it being the most traded stock in this EasyEquity platform. Because I mean, guys, when you think this is one of the companies that has given so many investors some good opportunity to make some good returns, and it's a company which I believe is still going to make investors to get or to reap some good returns. Otherwise, guys, as I've said, this company is doing so well. I mean, we saw from their Q2 earnings results, which they released a few weeks ago, that they thrashed the analyst expectations, meaning that they were able to outperform or give better results than those that analysts expected, which is something that is encouraging people to continue investing into this stock. Otherwise, guys, this company currently has a 52-week low of around $313 with a 52-week high of around $900. But like I said, I'm not saying go and buy this company, guys. Just go and do your own due diligence and see if you can add it to your portfolio. Otherwise, coming to company number 2, which is my favorite company in the entire stock market right now, is the company that it's seriously dominating my stock market portfolio, meaning that I've invested a lot of money into this company because I believe on where they are going and I believe on the potential. This is the company that I've discussed a lot on my channel. In fact, I don't remember a week where I finish without talking about it or on this channel, which is why I like it a lot. I'm just in love with this company, guys, and you'll forgive me. And for those of you who've been following me for some time, you will know that the company I'm talking about is none other than NIO. Yes, and I'm not ashamed to say that it is dominating my stock market portfolio. I mean, I started buying this stock or this company when it was still trading around $12 per share, which is something that is truly amazing. And I remember even those that have been following me from the very first time I bought this share, I did share a video of saying that I'm buying this company because it's set for greatness. I mean, I don't regret. Otherwise, guys, this stock or this company is also on the EV sector or falls under the EV sector, which is something that is truly amazing. And like I've told you, the EV sector, not just this company, not just Tesla, it's set to do very well, which is something that something that is making not only, and I must tell you something, guys, this company, NIO and Tesla, they are not the most popular companies in South Africa. They are the most popular companies in the US. They are the most popular companies. In fact, they are the most popular companies in the entire world because so many people are expecting some good things in the future on these two companies. And I must say that it's not only these two companies, but there are others. But these two, like I will tell you, Tesla is the leader in this sector or in this market, as I've told you, but NIO comes as the second one, which is something that is truly amazing and something that attracts investors into come to invest into this stock. I mean, yes, Tesla is a bit pricey, which is one of the reasons that made me to consider piling more into this NIO stock because it's still trading around 41, or on Friday it closed around trading around $41 US, which is something that is truly amazing. And like I said, when I started buying this stock, when it was still trading at around $12 per share, I mean, I knew what I was getting myself into, which is something that is truly amazing. Otherwise, this is one of those stocks, like I said, that I do a video about every week on my channel. If it might be twice or once a week, you will get the latest updates on this stock. Or reason being, this is a stock that it's seriously dominating my stock market portfolio, which forces me or makes me to always want to read on what's new regarding this stock. Otherwise, this NIO stock currently has a 52-week low of around $12.54 with a 52-week high of $66.99. Otherwise, as I've said, I can talk the whole day about this company NIO, and those that have been following me for some time, you can also attest to that, because there's just so much happening around this stock. Otherwise, if you want to find out more about this stock, go and watch our videos. I mean, I've made tons and tons of videos already about this stock where I talk about it. So please go and watch those videos, as I believe they will, or you will get to probably fall in love like I am on this stock, and maybe probably start investing on it. Otherwise, company number 3, which is the most popular, or which was the most popular company for the period which ended in June of 2021, it was a company none other than Apple. Now, this is a multinational technology company, which is the most valuable company in the world right now, with the market cap of around 2.46 trillion US dollars. I mean, this is a company that has been doing so well. I mean, this is the first company that ever passed the 2 trillion US dollar mark in the US stocks, which is something that is just truly amazing. And this is the most valuable company in the world right now, with this massive market cap. I mean, to have such a big market cap, it is something that has to be good. But I must tell you, or I must indicate to you, that to show how big this company is, there are only 2 companies, if I'm not mistaken, in the US stock market which are currently over $2 trillion, and it's Apple and Microsoft. So this has to tell you how valuable this company is, or how valuable these 2 companies are. So this is one of those companies that I wish I should have bought before actually they split. As you remember that last year they announced, was it a 4:1 split? It was a split that took place, which I believe, guys, I should have bought it way before that split, because, guys, this is a company, or this is one of the companies which is set for greatness. Otherwise, this company currently has a 52-week low of around $103 US dollars, with a 52-week high of around $150 US dollars. Now, as I've said, this is the company that is still set for greatness. This is the company that's doing so well. They are not just popular in America and other neighboring countries, but it is popular everywhere, which is why we are seeing, or we see them also being popular here in South Africa. Otherwise, company number 4 is the company that I've talked about on this channel, and this company goes by the name none other than Tilray. Now, Tilray is a pharmaceutical and cannabis company. Now, this company currently has a 52-week low of $4.41 with a 52-week high of around $67. Now, as I've said, this company, it grabbed my attention when it announced the merger with Afria, which was, I think, concluded successfully and is going to make this company to thrive in the near future. As you know, that the cannabis industry is also one of those industries which are set for greatness, as many countries are legalizing this cannabis for medical use. Even in our country right now, this is one of those industries which the government has legalized it, and it's looking into using it for medical purposes, which is something that must show you probably the demand into this cannabis sector. Yes, for now, I know probably that many people might say that it's underperforming, or it's not performing as many people thought it would, but I sort of like still believe that it is still set for greatness. Otherwise, company number 5, which I must say that it caught me by surprise, I never thought this company would make it to the list, is the company that goes by the name of Amazon. I mean, the reason why I didn't expect this company to be part of the list, especially on the EasyEquity platform, is the fact that, guys, this company is very expensive. The share price of this company is very expensive. I mean, this company is currently trading at around, or it was trading around $3,200 per share on Friday when the market closed, and bringing it to that trading price to our currency here in South Africa, you are looking at over 48,000 per share. Now, do you see why I am surprised as to why it falls on the top 5 of the most traded companies on the EasyEquities platform? It is for this share price, because imagine going to buy this company with over 48,000 per share. I mean, it's just so pricey, and that 48 or that over 48,000 gets you just one share. So this is why, like I said, I was surprised that it made it to the list. But something that I will tell you about this company, it's a company which is set for greatness. I mean, this company, it's believed that by next year around the same time, it might be trading around $5,000 US. This is what analysts expect this company to be trading at in the next coming 12 months, which is something that is truly amazing. And I don't blame those that are investing on it. I know that some might be having this 48,000 to buy single shares, but even those that are buying fractional shares of this company, I mean, it's a company which is just set for greatness, because this is a technology company that does so many things. I mean, you will know them for their e-commerce. They are also into artificial intelligence. They are also into cloud computing, just to mention a few. They are just set for greatness. I mean, talk about Amazon. Amazon is that company. I believe, guys, it is going to, or it still has so much potential to grow. Otherwise, they have a 52-week low of around $2,871 with a 52-week high of around $3,773. Otherwise, guys, yes, this is the top 10 list of the most traded popular stocks on the EasyEquity platform for the period which ended in June of 2021. Otherwise, I did not know that EasyEquities does give out these stats, which is something that, like I said, it's something that is so encouraging, because it makes you want to see or go and look as to what's causing people to invest a lot onto these companies, which is something that is truly amazing and makes you to go do your own research onto these companies. Otherwise, with all that, guys, most of these companies, if not all, I believe that they are trading or they have these high volumes for a reason. Probably those people that are investing into these companies are believing that they will do very well in the near future. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit that like button. If you're new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time I release a video. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.